In this video, we'll be talking about scenario 2, product support of Alcoga company. My name is William Thane.
My name is Taiki Horikoshi.
Two of us will be talking about this particular topic in this video.
So for the agenda of this, we have background of the company and the overview of whole operation and the functional requirements and quality attribute of the product and architectural models, and lastly we have tactics to enhance quality attributes. So for the background of the company. So Elcoga is a company located in Sydney, Australia, which develops and provides proprietary financial and accounting software to major financial institutes. And the company has three major departments to provide support after sales. They are contact center, product support, and product engineer. So let's get into the overview of the scenario. So this company handles a customer report step by step by firstly verifying customer profile and then creates a support case for the record. And they will look into an existing solution from a database system called SolAct. And if they could not find a solution from the database, they will ask the department that is product support and product engineer. And these steps were done on paper, which takes a lot of time to complete. So the company wants to get rid of the paper. So the goal for them is to get an application system that handles the support process and an internal web portal site that the agents could easily access with minimum effort compared to the old school method. So the functional requirements of this product from the company is that the agents needs an application system that handles the support process, and they also need a web portal site that serve as a single view to query different data such as customer, product, and solution details. And lastly, they also need an application that the customer can track the status of the support case over the web. This is needed because the customer doesn't want to contact the company every time to check their process. So instead of contacting directly to the company, they can check from the web. So on to the next is the quality attribute of this product. Mainly we have three quality attributes that we're going to be focusing. That is availability, usability, and scalability. For availability, the company wants the app to be functional at all the time, which means 24/7, and it needs to handle as much customer support as possible. And for the usability, it needs to be easy to use for agents as well as customer, so that agents can quickly access their customer and customer can check their process 24/7. And for the scalability, as this company Elcoga continues to grow, they may need their support process and new application to be scalable.
Now I will get to the use case diagram of the Alcoga company customer support system. In this use case, we mainly focus on two users. First is customer, and the second is contact center, which is combined by the customer support department, product support department, and product engineering departments. So first thing a customer want to do when they face problem from the product that they bought from this company is they want to issue a support case to fix it. So they're going to issue a support case and the contact center will receive it. So the thing they want to do is they want to check the solution for the issue. So there's after checking for issue, they will try to look for the known issue in the SolAct database, which is Solution Act for long. And then if they find the solution, they will provide the support case back to the customer. But if they cannot find the solution already in the SolAct, they will have to do extra steps, which I put with the extend function. then first thing they have to do is they have to develop the solution if they didn't find the solution already in the SOL Act by the product engineering department. After they are developed, they will send it back to the customer again. If the customer is satisfied, they will update this known solution in the SOL Act database to further use it in the future if there is a problem as same as that. So that is basically the whole circle of this use case diagram. Now let's get to the internal components of this process, the component diagram. First thing, when the customer query to the web portal server and send their support case, it will be stored in the CRM system, which is Customer Relationship Management System for long, database. And then the customer center department, through the customer center application, will want to query to the customer relationship management system, and they will want to take a look at it and try to search a fix for it to SOL Act database. If they could find the fix, they will send it back to the customer and they will be satisfied. But if they cannot find the fix, they will have to hand it over to the product support application to like search deeper into the SOL Act database and they will search the fix for it too. Even if they cannot find the fix, they will have to request the product engineer department to product engineer application and they will try to make a solution and fix for the currently issue problem. If they could find make a solution, they will send it back to the customer, and like the use case diagram, if the customer is satisfied, they will update the new solution into the SOL Act to further use it in the future. That's basically about it for the component internal diagram of the process. Now let's talk about tactics to enhance quality attributes that we discussed before. The first thing, availability, we can improve it by like Alcoger can implement the availability tactics, which are fault detection, fault prevention, and fault recovery tactics alongside with their program to enhance availability, even though it might cost a little bit more. For usability, Alcoga can implement runtime tactic, which is user-initiated tactics to easily correct errors, undo, and provide more support for the working agent. So they could easily work the issue support cases without being confused. For scalability, Alcoga could implement a scalable architecture for the support process and new application, allowing them to easily add new resources and function in the future when needed. Alcoga could also pair the architecture with some resource management performance tactic to not lose performance while upgrading scalability too. So that's everything about this video. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll be signing out. See you guys.